Hi, sir. Can I have a mic for sir? How are you, sir? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Uh, Welcome everyone. I think it's a great day to start something new. It's महाशिवरात्रि तो सब आप सभी को महाशिवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं. Uh, एक मेकर के लिए, एक स्टोरी टेलर के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी होता है कि जो कहानी आप करना चाह रहे हैं वो देखने वालों के जहन में उतरे और देखने वालों का जो सोचने का नज़रिया है, जो उनका मूड है, उससे कहानी जुड़े. जिस तरह कुछ हाल ही की घटनाएं हुई हैं तो हम लोग ऑफ कोर्स इस फिल्म से एक नए तरीके से जुड़ गए हैं. जब हमने शुरुआत की थी तो ऐसा कोई अंदेशा नहीं था, ये सिर्फ एक अच्छी कहानी थी. बट दिस इज़ वेयर वी आर. And we all have celebrated the return of Wing Commander Abhinandan, you know. But how many of you know about Ajay Ahuja, Squadron Leader Ajay Ahuja? Anyone? Can you raise your hand? Who knows? Yeah, two hands going up. And if I ask you, Wing Commander Abhinandan, I'm sure everybody is. So, of course, we are proud of Wing Commander. We are proud of what happened, all of that. But what about those who don't return? You know, what about those who are forgotten heroes? And we as a society are so quick to forget them. Ajay Ahuja actually went after Nachiketa took, went ejected from the flight in the Kargil war, and he was actually trying to see the location when he took a hit. He ejected and he was actually killed, and it is said that that was a cold-blooded murder, and he had a bullet mark right through the ears. And that's what happened during Kargil. But we don't remember him, we don't remember the name. Why I say this? Because this film, the spirit of this film is to really salute, to remember, and to think about, and to see the story of forgotten hero. And this is based on true events. And as he said, 1971 war. Why is 71 relevant today? Because I think in our entire history, it's only in 71 we took direct action. And I think more recently we have taken direct action. So this is not a period film. This is not about times which are not relevant. This is very relevant today because this is the only time, as I said, when we have taken direct action. I'm very thankful to Ajay and to Bunty for bringing this script over. And from the moment that Robbie narrated, I was itching to do this film. And of course, thanks to John for agreeing to take up the lead role. He's always our trusted raw agent. And there he is never forgotten. We have a long relationship going back with him. So yeah, so all of this is coming together. We are very excited. मुझे बताया गया है कि producers जो हैं वो अलग-अलग titles, पुलवामा और अलग-अलग तरीके के titles के ऊपर लड़ाई कर रहे हैं. We are at least happy that we are making a film which will be out soon and we don't have to fight that fight. Yeah. So thank you so much, all of you who've been on this journey, and I hope you like the trailer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Let me call on stage Mr. Ajay Kapoor, producer and managing director, Kaita Productions. A round of applause for him, please.
Hi, good evening, everybody, and thank you, everyone, you've been here. Our film is an amazing journey of an incredible unsung heroes who has sacrificed his life, entire life serving our nation. I really feel proud today to stand here with such a great subject. Raw, our film is a tribute to all the unsung heroes who has really, really sacrificed their lives and families for their nation. I really salute them all. I am really thankful and grateful to John sir that he supported this kind of subject and he's on board with us. The bonding which I share with John sir is amazing and commendable. Thank you, John sir. I think so he's not here, he'll come soon. VA Film, Kaita, and the director Robbie Garibal, who has directed this film, has really worked hard on this film. To work with VA Film is a great experience, and we're working on more and more subjects which are in pipeline. I'm thankful to the entire team of Vicom 18, and especially Mr. Ajit Andhare, who has shown his support to this kind of film and has shown the immense trust in us to produce this film along with their esteemed studio. Lastly, I would thank my beautiful wife, who has really supported me throughout this journey. Thank you, everyone. Ekta, please come on stage once. Yeah.
A round of applause for Ekta as well.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, may I have on stage Vanessa Walia, producer, VA Films. A round of applause for Vanessa, please.
Hi everyone, good afternoon and happy Mahashivratri to all.
Same to you.
Okay, I'm quite nervous to talk. So I think you all know about Raw by now. And I hope everyone loves the hard work that we all have put in as a team, as Raw family. I hope you all love it. And
We have already loved the teaser.
yeah.
Now it's the time for trailer and the movie as well.
I hope you show us a lot of love. And I thank everyone actually, Raw family, Robbie, Gary, Ajay ji, Mr. Ajit, Moni, Seku. No, I'm going to talk about him. I'm nervous. Jackie sir and everyone, I'm so nervous. I have so much to talk.
It's okay, you can talk.
Yes, Moni, John, everyone has been excellent with everything in Raw. And not to forget the pillar of Raw is my husband. Sorry, because he and Robbie really held it from day one. And Robbie, thank you for getting us such a beautiful script. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Vanessa. Yeah. Next, may I have on stage Mr. Gary Garewal. A round of applause for Gary, please. Sir, मैं भी ऐसे खड़े हो जाता हूँ.
Thank you everybody for being here. As today everybody is looking for the 5 minutes of fame, it becomes a duty for the society to also talk about people who work from behind. I think that's the entire objective of doing this film. And luckily we found able partners. Mr. Ajit Ndare, Wycom, Banti Walia, Ajay Kapoor, and Robbie for means all the effort that he put into this. I hope everybody watches the film and gives appreciates the effort and the passion that has gone into the film. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Gary. Next, may I have on stage writer, director, Mr. Robbie Garewal, please. A round of applause for him.
Cheers. Thanks, guys, for coming. I think everybody said really wonderful things and covered the whole point of why we made the film. All I can say is it's been a fantastic journey. Right from day one, me and Bunty met, and all the partners who joined us, Ajay, Ajit, everyone, Gary. And the reason for making this film, I'll give you a brief insight into it. All of us, every one of us, does whatever they do, whether it's a director or any sphere of life, work, we always subconsciously want to be recognized for the work we do. Even an officer in the army does great job, great work in his life, but he gets credit for doing what he's doing. The only person, the only job in the world where you get nothing in return, you get no credit for what you do, is a job of a spy. A spy is somebody who does everything for the nation, gets nothing in return, and knowing it from the beginning, they'll get nothing back in return. And in all probability, they never make it back home as well. So that, for me, is a true hero, which we have not really seen enough in films. And so this film is a salute to all those gentlemen, ladies for the matter as well, who've gone across the border and done things for the country so beautifully with not wanting anything in return. I think it's the most selfless job in the world. Nothing compares to this job. And the film, like I said, is a salute to these people. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Robbie. Let's move on to the trailer launch, जिसके लिए हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं सुबह से. Let's move on to the trailer launch. Full morning. Sikandar and the one and only John Abraham. Hi, sir. Hi, Sikandar bhai. Hi, Moni. All set? किस तरह से आप ट्रेलर के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हो, John? How are you feeling this afternoon?
First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you, and thank you to the entire to the studio, Viacom, Ajit and the entire team, Kaita, Ajay, and of course Red Eyes, Gary and Robbie. Robbie is also our producer, VA, Vanessa and Bunty. Thank you so much for really standing by this film. I think it's a fantastic script. The one person we are missing here right now is Jackie sir. We really miss him here because he's such an important part of the film. And of course, we've got a great cast. Moni's fantastic, Sikandar's done a fantastic job, and it's great to be here. Of course, the hero of the film is the subject.
Moni, what do you have to say?
I just feel very fortunate to be standing here today. And well, it's Mahashivratri, so it's a very auspicious day. And
Yes.
I hope it brings this film, us and all of you, lots of love and lots of luck and happiness. Having said that, it's a very relevant film. And I am glad that it was made. And you just saw the trailer, but I must tell you, him and Jackie, everybody is just too brilliant. And I feel very fortunate and lucky to be a part of it.
Thank you so much, Moni. Sikandar bhai.
Yeah, मैं बहुत खुशनसीब हूँ कि मैं इनके साथ काम कर पाया. Especially, I mean, with John, it was just beautiful working with him. मेरे ज़्यादातर काम इनके साथ ही था. जगू दादा के साथ ज़्यादा काम नहीं कर पाया. Though we are missing him today a lot. बहुत मिस करते, तो उनकी तरफ से मैं एक बिड़ू बोलता हूँ. क्या बोलते हो बिड़ू? But हाँ, John के साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया. It was just very fortunate to be able to work with a leading man. He's definitely a star, but a leading man
Also
who is
very
so
humble and really, really nice.
and so yeah, he's such a giving person for an actor. For me, though, it's like, I mean, I got a chance from Bunty, who's a very old dear friend of mine, and Robbie, who also
I
trusted
was
me with
just
that role.
coming there.
You know, who's sitting here with a cap. But when you're working with such a big star, and he doesn't make you feel like that at all. He's just a super friend. I'm just very fortunate to actually, as Moni said, just to be standing here with him and actually getting photographs clicked in the same frame with him. So I think that's just really cool, honestly.
We're forgetting a very, very important man. I must add a few lines about Robbie sir. He's been the captain of the ship and kept it going and held it together for all those tedious months. And actually, Robbie sir and John, they've worked I think the hardest on this project. So, along with the crew, obviously.
So let's call the captain of the ship, Robbie Grewal, on stage. Let me also call Mr. Gary, Vanessa, and Ajay on stage. And media, if you have any questions regarding the trailer, regarding the film. Let me also call Mr. Ajit on stage. Media, any questions regarding the trailer, regarding the movie, John ka character? Any questions you feel free to ask. पहले photo ले लो. Can we have a mic for?
Hi. Hello.
Well, we've been, without sounding opportunistic about this, we've planned this film, I think, more than a year in advance. It's unfortunate these incidents have happened today, but I think in the current ecosystem, it resonates with what is happening in the country.
John Leader, is side.
Yeah, I think Robbie is better equipped to answer that question. Robbie?
So honestly, it's topical today, it is. But the idea was never, when you began the film about a year back, to do anything with what's going to happen later. So it's a story of a spy, a man who's picked up and sent to Pakistan. So, and one thing I must add to the point is that we are not trying, it's not a story of good versus bad. It is not a story where other side is bad and we are good and we, emerge victorious. It's a journey of a spy, and it also reflects in the historical significance of what happened in 71. So we're very true to what happened in 71, which also resonates today, which is great for us in terms of the mood that there is. But we never intended to do it like that. It was not meant to come on a day where it becomes so topical that it connects more. So yeah.
Yeah, John.
Mr. Robbie, hello.
प्रश्न आपसे ये
Can you repeat the question?
हेलो हाँ ये इस तरीके की बहुत सारी फिल्में सालों साल आती हैं और अच्छी भी होती हैं, लेकिन ये फिल्म बाकी सभी फिल्मों से कितनी अलग है और आपको इसे करने में कितनी मुश्किलें आई?
नहीं, अलग है इसलिए मैंने की ये फिल्म. तो नहीं, आई एम आंसरिंग अ क्वेश्चन. तो क्योंकि अलग है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी कंपेलिंग स्क्रिप्ट. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्क्रिप्ट था ये. And when I heard it the first time only, I wanted to do it. So that's why I'm very excited. मैं ज़्यादा excited हूँ कि आप लोग भी देखें इसको. And you all will understand where we are coming from. It's a very, very special film. Robbie ने जो research की इस film पे is absolutely commendable और बहुत ही credible research. और आज के तारीख में research बिना अगर आप इतने sensitive topic पे आप film बना रहे हो, there's a big sense of responsibility on you. So you have to be very sure about what you're talking about. So it's a fantastic film, very different. Please watch it.
And John. Hello.
जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा था कि we didn't plan this film around what has happened today. ये काफ़ी टाइम